Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to separate audio from a video, clips or footage. So here is the footage I already added in Premiere Pro timeline. So how can I delete this one? I click the footage, click right button in mouse and unlink. Okay, then I can select, and press delete. Okay, also I can move this footage where you want, video and audio. Okay, also I delete this one from here, or we can add any music from here. Music. I can add any type of music into the background. Music here. Or you can delete this one. Only the video footage is here. Hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.